Hey everybody, I'm Gabe Fielding, owner and operator of Fielding Tree Care out here in Denver, Colorado. And today we'll be talking about the autumn purple ash tree. The autumn purple ash tree is a male cultivar of the white ash tree. It's discovered by a man named Carl Junginger from the University of Wisconsin. Go Badgers. The canopy on autumn purple ashes when they're younger are more pyramidal shape. As they're growing and get older towards maturity, the canopy gets rounder and more oval and can reach up to heights of 60 feet tall and 45 feet wide. Takes up a large space in your landscape. Great aesthetic. The colors of the leaves are green in summer and turn a beautiful red, yellow, and purple hueish color as we get towards autumn, making the tree holistically soothing to any Colorado landscape. Provides a balance and a rhythm that is pleasing to any leaf peeping aficionado. In Nordic law, the white ash tree is known as the Yggdrasil. It's the tree of life and encompasses all 9 worlds and stands right of center with its majestic branches arching towards the heavens and its roots deeply planted in the ground. The leaf structure of an autumn purple ash tree or any ash tree is oddly pinnate, so all the leaves grow opposite on the stem. So that leads to us to pruning on the ash tree. Because the leaf structure is opposite and the tree branches grow long and tall, when you're pruning these ash trees, you always want to try to prune back to the opposite, the center of the opposites. That will encourage the rest of the leaf structure and the twig structure to grow outwards and more full. At FTC, when we trim trees, we have our methods of trimming would include raising up of the tree off of structures like houses, fences, car garages, or ports, and that covers the clearance issues and raising up to keep it balanced along the bottom. Also, we like to trim for shape, overall shape, and how we do that is through structure pruning by balancing the tree out through reduction cuts all around the canopy to keep it round, shapely, beautiful, and strong, and help prevent from any kind of storm damage. Although the purple ash tree and other ash trees have been discouraged from being planted out here in Colorado due to the destructive emerald ash borer, I would still highly encourage planting ash trees, especially the purple ash tree, due to its beautiful color, shape, and overall aesthetic value and property value that it can bring to your house. But would highly advise contracting with your local ISA certified tree care company that specializes in all pest and disease control of your very, very Nordic, visually stunning, low mess, low stress American purple ash, healthy and happy for a serviceable life. Don't forget to subscribe.